Finding the right niche on TikTok is very hard, but I spent over 100 hours researching TikTok to find the best 17 niches, mostly faceless, using simple AI tools to make your first $10,000 a month. I know a bunch of creators that did a lot more, and honestly, all of them used at least one of these niches that I want to share with you. If you watch this video carefully, you will potentially find a profitable niche to start, even if you are a complete beginner. The first idea, which is probably one of my favorites, is TikTok made me buy it. Niche is where you essentially get different products that are really interesting, engaging, and sometimes useful. Then, you create engaging videos where you showcase those products. People enjoy watching them because you have solved their problem for them in the video, so you can get millions of views like this person over here and make lots and lots of money from the creativity program. You can also make lots of money, potentially even a lot more, from the affiliate commissions of those products. This person has a link where they have all of those Amazon products, as you can see, where people can buy all of the products that they showcase in their faceless TikTok videos. Before we move on to idea number 2, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons so that you don't miss my next videos. Let me know where you are watching this video from in the comment section down below. The second niche idea on our list is the Guess the Goal niche. These are videos that someone took after watching a game, and they took the highlights of the game but added this filter, this effect, that really changes the entire scene so it cannot even be detected by the algorithm that it was not original content. They get thousands of views. And because these videos are over a minute long, this person is actually making money. Keep in mind that the TikTok creativity program has now been renamed the Creator Rewards Program. But that doesn't change how the creativity program works. It's just the name. You still have to be at least 18 years old, have 10,000 followers, and have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. You also have to make videos that are over 1 minute long. Idea number 3 out of 17 is camping or outdoor videos. Especially in today's day and age when most people are indoors on their phones, craving the outside world and nature, these can perform really well. They sometimes get millions and millions of views, and people rewatch them time and time again. If you want to find free camping videos like this, you can head over to Pixabay, where you can get free unlimited downloads of stock footage, video, photos, music, templates, and more without copyright issue. For example, the camping video that you see here is of high quality. The next TikTok niche idea is astronomy and space. In fact, this account over here, Astronovus, is getting hundreds of thousands of views on these videos from footage that they've collected online and just added a story over. If you're into astronomy and space, which looks pretty epic, you can make videos on this. As long as the videos are over a minute long, you can monetize with the creativity program. They are using simple AI tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney for image generations and 11 Labs for the voiceover. Next on our list are nostalgic videos. I would call this the nostalgia niche. What these guys are doing is taking photos and videos from events in the past and making nostalgic videos. Most of these are from the 2000s, which really hit me sometimes when I see these, and I can see why thousands of people actually enjoy watching them. You can check out this account. It's called 2000s Nostalgia 44. If you were born around that era, you're in for a ride when you're going through these videos. We are moving on to the next niche, which is comic. This person is posting comic videos, and you can essentially create a faceless channel like this where you post comics that you have either AI read for people or just have some background music. People will just go through this slowly and read comics on TikTok. As comic as it may sound, it actually works, and this person has 250,000 followers on this account. Let's watch one of the videos.
Stop. Spare his life, and I will give you the stone.
The next niche on our list is for book lovers. If you really like reading books, you can share parts of what you've read. For example, books that will help people in their financial life, like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or what you've learned, or the quotes that you found. In fact, this person here, with an entire account about books, sometimes gets millions of views. Even though they're not doing it as a business but probably as a hobby, they still get millions of views. Imagine if you approach this with a business mindset, reading popular books and giving detailed explanations about them. Next are these AI cartoon characters where they share facts or stories. You can take some character that has already been popularized, and there are so many of them, including SpongeBob. You can use AI voiceovers with an AI tool such as Parrot AI, to clone that particular cartoon character's voice. You can generate high-quality scripts and have those cartoon characters read something for you. Then just edit it in an engaging way. If you're outside the US or your country is not on the list for the creativity program but still want to make money from it, you can click on the first link in the description for TikTok monetization and get instantly monetized from any country. That way, you don't have to wait to get 10,000 followers or 100,000 video views or have an account in any specific country. You can do it from any country around the world and make money on TikTok from day one. The next niche on our list, especially for those of you who want to stay completely faceless, is brain teasers, riddles, and quizzes. This person got 42,000 followers posting these different videos with various questions. You can generate these with ChatGPT, but bear in mind that the videos have to be extremely high quality. In fact, you need to go through some steps to ensure the videos get the most potential views. Number 1 is going through the idea step, then scripting to make sure you have a strong hook, making sure the video is easy to understand, the editing is simple and clear, and that you are actually making high-quality videos. Next niche idea on our list is top 10 videos on literally any topic. This person specifically talks about the top 10 cities and places to visit around the world. They already have about 340,000 followers from these faceless videos, posting different stock footage in the background with AI voiceover and captions. To be honest, these are not really high-quality videos, even though they get millions and millions of views. They're not engaging, easy to watch, or easy to understand. If you approach this a little better, you could potentially get much better results and obviously make a lot more money than this person.
You're Elon Musk.
I am?
What are you doing here?
I'm washing dishes. Well, I was on the turkey line, but I got demoted for being too generous with the gravy.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons so that you don't miss my next video. Let me know where you are watching this video from in the comment section down below. This person over here is basically having an AI avatar tell a story, joke, or fact. This person specifically talks about different kinds of stories and jokes, but you can have your AI avatars talk about literally anything. You can generate an avatar with Leonardo AI. Just sign up for free to this AI tool, click on image generation, search for a portrait, and enter some details about what kind of avatar you are looking for. You can choose a different avatar like a strongman, and then Leonardo AI will generate that avatar. As you can see, they have all sorts of different avatars. Just make sure they actually resemble the story you're trying to tell with that video. Once you find an image that you like, click on the download button. You can then go to a tool like Pika Labs, where you can animate that image. You basically upload that image, and it will be turned into a talking avatar. For the voiceover, you can go to 11 Labs, paste the script, click Generate Speech, and you will have a high-quality voiceover. This is what most of these TikTok accounts are doing. This account here is essentially listing out different theories and facts that people should know about. They use stock footage in the background with captions and a voiceover. This account, called Listo Theory, gets hundreds of thousands of followers and sometimes millions of views on these faceless TikToks, which can result in tens of thousands of dollars from the Creator Rewards program. The next niche on our list is the versus niche. You compare different things and ask for feedback, so people engage with these TikTok quite well. For example, this person asks, would you rather eat a hamburger or pizza? Would you rather vote for Mr. Beast or iShowSpeed? People comment and vote in the comments. It's like a versus game, and some of these faceless accounts get millions of views and hundreds of thousands of followers. It's really engaging and possible to make some money from the Creator Rewards program if you do it well. It is a good idea to get some quick views on an account. Another niche idea is retro gaming. If you have been around the gaming scene for a while, you've seen a lot of people talk about usual stuff like Minecraft and GTA 5, potentially even GTA 6 coming in the future, but rarely do you see people talk about retro gaming. Targeting specifically people who grew up in the early 2000s or late 90s, you showcase different retro games, which would be nostalgic to those people, including me. Then you can show gameplay of those retro and old games. This person here is sharing his knowledge about philosophical information. They talk about science, theory, and religion with some explanation. They provide value to people by providing facts and big information that you might not have heard of before. If you're outside of the US or your country is not on the list for the creativity program, but you still want to make money from the TikTok creativity program, you can now click on the first link in the description for TikTok monetization. You can get instantly monetized from any country around the world. That way, You don't have to wait to get 10,000 followers or 100,000 video views, or to have an account in any specific country. You can do it from any country around the world and make money on TikTok from day one. If you don't know which niche to get into, here is a quick guide. Check this video out for how you can copy animal and movie explainer videos from a Chinese app and upload them on YouTube to start making money from YouTube without any copyright issues.